Post Office building of Bengaluru is being inaugurated by the Honorable Minister of Communications, Shri Ashwini Vaishnaw.
This city presents always a new picture of India. The new picture that you saw today in terms of this 3D printed post office building, that's the spirit of India today. That's the spirit with which our country is progressing today. I can give you 10 examples. Nobody ever thought that India would be developing its own 4G and 5G technology. Nobody ever thought. Nobody ever thought that India would be manufacturing its very, very complex telecom equipment. That India would be able to design and manufacture a world-class train.
Post. With a built-up area of 1,000 square feet, the project was completed ahead of schedule in 43 days as against 45.
In construction of post office building through 3D printing technology. To mark this occasion, a special cover on India's first 3D printed post office building is being released by India Post. May I request the Honorable Minister of Communications to please do the honors. A special cover on India's first 3D printed post office building, which is at Cambridge layout of Bengaluru, Karnataka. A special cover is being unveiled, released by Minister of Communications, Shri Ashwini Vaishnaw. I also take this opportunity to request the Honorable Minister to unveil a 3D printed replica of the post office building. This is the exact replica of the post office building, which is constructed using 3D printing technology. And Honorable Minister will now be unveiling a 3D model of the same. The 3D model, the exact replica of the building which is constructed using 3D printing technology is here. And the same is unveiled by the Honorable Union Minister for Communications, Shri Ashwini Vaishnaw. From Bengaluru Central Constituency, Shri P.C. Mohan. May I request, sir, to please address the gathering. Yes, right. Thank you, sir. So, we have with us Shri Sadanand Gowda, sir, a Member of Parliament from Bangalore North constituency. So, sir is already welcome, sir. So, going forward, may I now request our Chief Postmaster General to please